Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create amazing logo completely free online. So firstly, open any browser and type canva.com. After opening the canva.com, you will see this interface and sign up your account and sign up as your requirement: education, small business, large company, charity. I will select personal. Now sign up with Facebook or Gmail, and also you can sign up with your email. So I will sign up with Facebook, and because I have already, so I will simple logging the canva.com. After sign up your account, simple click on more. So you will see a list of design. Here you will find and navigate logo design. So here is the logo design. Select this one. Now you will see a list of logo. You simply select anyone which you like. Some of logo are free and some will be paid. So you select free logo as your business. I will select for example only this one. And after selecting the logo, you change font, you can change the icon and background color, and here is some another feature, and you can see that some feature are free in text and background color, and in the text, and also here is some elements, and in elements you can add free photos, your own photos, some icons and lines, frames and grid. So everything, friends, you need for creating a beautiful logo, you will find features in canva.com, and almost features are free. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching this video.